This has to be someone's vision. It can't be real.
Oh!
Kobeni. Hey guys, my name is Lucy.
And my name is Shuni.
And today we'll be reacting to episode number 9 of Chainsaw Man from KYOTO.
We're just shocked
Yeah.
right now. So who are these people?
Yeah, I guess they are all being controlled by
The
the
gun devil?
gun devil?
The gun devil wants...
Or an organization that brought guns to Japan to make the gun devil stronger.
The gun devil apparently wants Denji's heart.
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know. That's Pochita.
I don't get it.
Maybe they are trying to make a devil organization. The sword, the chainsaw, the gun, the bazooka, the tank devil, everything that could be used to hurt someone. I don't think that's it. I'm just, I don't know, trying to think of something because right now all of this doesn't have any explanation.
Yeah.
And I fear that we might not get the answers we want by the end of the season. Is Makima dead? Is Denji dead? I guess we're gonna find that one out right now.
Right now, I guess Denji is going to
Come back.
come back in this episode because this girl, the snake devil girl, wants Aki dead.
Yeah.
And I don't think they are going to kill Aki. Are they?
I guess
So-
they left.
They left?
I think they did.
But why? Because she was ordering the sword devil to kill Aki, to finish him, and he wasn't finished when...
They were able to kill Himeno at least, so maybe just one was good enough. Oh, maybe I was thinking about the other situation, the girl, Kobeni, and the guy.
Yeah.
Maybe the guy got shot.
And Kobeni survived because of her. Yeah, that makes sense.
Because I don't know if it's because he's not a very memorable character. I'm sorry if someone is like diehard fan of him. I can't even remember his name. He's not very memorable, but the girl is.
Yeah, the girl is...
So I feel like he died,
Yeah.
and she survived, and she's gonna show off whatever
Oh,
ability she
that
has now.
would be so cool.
And we still need to get to know the fiend of this other group.
Yeah.
So
Also,
maybe they come around now.
okay.
But so far, I guess we're going to see a bit of the aftermath of this organized crime.
Crime. Yeah. So yeah, I just can't wait to see what's going to happen. We'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. And also you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and a few episodes ahead of YouTube.
I need to see something happy after this.
I don't think so.
This video was brought to you by your Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video!
Good! We're going to see her die again.
And Aki is so injured too.
Yeah.
Like, he's not okay.
He couldn't even move.
Yeah.
And he lost so many years of life, I guess.
Yeah.
She gave a nail. Oh, she's still there.
Yeah. I don't think they are leaving.
Power? Maybe? No.
魔人が逃げたぞ。
Oh,
The
the
fiend
fiend
ran
power.
out.
チェーンソーの心臓だ追わなくていい
Good for the ghost devil.
Yeah, or was that Himeno?
Oh, that was Himeno from beyond.
心臓は傷つけないで
Huh.
Why do they need the
わ
heart?
かんねえけど、
Ay.
てめえらが悪いやつだってことだけや。なんとなく
Go crazy on them.
Yeah, please, Denji. Ay, Denji, be careful. Oh, no.
Oh, shit! guy, the one that has Nanami's voice,
Yeah.
had a gun.
Suspicious.
Did Power escape? For real?
I guess she did.
But she's not coming back, is she?
Ow.
Yeah, she gave a nail.
Yeah.
こちら沢渡。
So.
練馬西大ビル3階でチェーンソーと戦っている。
Oh no.
Come on. Give him a hard time.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Drink someone's blood, please. Can Denji do something like that?
Ah.
撃ちますか。
腕か心臓を狙え。
Oh. Ah, go Denji. Ah. Oh.
Ouch.
こいつてめえの
He
He
doesn't
doesn't
care.
1ミリでも動いてみな。お仲間のお顔がおミンチになるぜ。
He doesn't care.
そうそう。
No.
He's acting.
No, Denji. Ah. No, please.
What? This has to be someone's vision. It can't be real.
What? Wait.
こいつを運ぶ。さっさと車を持ってこ
What's going on?
い。デビルハンターも人だ。銃には勝てんだろう。
Wait, I need a break.
What happened? What just happened? It happened for real. It's not a vision. Can Denji regenerate?
I believe so, but they have to reattach his bottom half to his top half for him
Right.
to connect everything.
Yeah.
I don't think he can generate it out of nothing.
And if they don't, what? He's dead? I don't get it. This is bad.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
No.
You know what I hate? That he's been fighting and getting involved in all these fights alone. When he killed the Eternity Devil, he did it by himself. Everyone else was there, just waiting for him to finish his job. Now, the same thing,
It's not like Aki can do anything right now.
but with the Eternity Devil, maybe he could have.
I mean, he wanted to.
Yeah, he wanted to. I don't
He
know.
wanted to take his katana out, but
Yeah,
and this time he did. No, he's not fighting alone. I mean, he's the only one left this time.
he's the only one that can actually do something, and that's why he ends up alone in these fights. Because, I mean, yeah, Aki was fighting, but he didn't have a chance.
It's not like he just left Denji
No,
on
no.
his own.
But Power did.
Power did. I'm not sure about Power. We'll see what she did. Maybe she went to get help.
But everyone else is dead, so what
Yeah.
help?
Well, maybe she knows she can't do anything. She would get killed. She wants to tell someone that this is going on so they can get reinforcements. She doesn't know that everyone else is getting killed.
I don't know.
I have faith.
I just got really frustrated that
Yeah.
Denji has to go through this alone besides Pochita.
I mean, he did fight alone, but it's not because of the others didn't care or just wanted him to finish the job. Maybe with the Eternity, kind of, because it was the only way they would win without any of them losing something important, like years of life, for example.
Yeah, but it was...
He didn't lose anything. He lost energy. But this time it's not the same. I feel like it's not the same at all. Aki did everything he could. He even used the katana.
Yeah, I know.
Himeno lost her life. We don't know anything about Power, but I guess Himeno and Aki gave everything they had, and even if it means that Denji is now alone, I don't think he is alone in it. They are going to go after him.
I hope. I'm just so angry at everything.
I get it.
You were right. You were right.
So many devil hunters. Makima as well?
もうすぐ駅に着く。車両移動して民間人に。
What about the people in the train? Oh! She's not dying!
Awesome. Bad.
I guess I never was so happy to see Makima.
Yeah.
東京で特1課2課3課4課が襲撃されたらしいです。
マジマキマさん死んでる。
じゃあうちら待ち損かよ。
They didn't even care. They were just, oh, we wasted our time. Yes, show them, Makima.
I want to see her powers.
Yeah.
The blood in the coat. Yeah, look, the blood in the coat. And the shoes.
All over.
新幹線内で銃撃にあっ
She looks like a vampire.
死体があるから片付けさせて。会食は中止。
どこか撃たれましたか？
これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
Yeah, yes, you were.
Ooh.
What is her deal?
Yeah.
Maybe she did die and she's
No, I don't think
お
so.
そらく
No, she's
敵の
Makima.
目的はデンジ君だ。ここで対応しよう。
And she's lying.
法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。天道ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し
for
切り。
what?
Yeah.
私の着替えもお願いします。
Oh, she just became 100 times more interesting.
Yeah. We knew she was going to be interesting.
Getting a last meal, you guys? Show us something, Makima. We want to know.
そろそろ到着します。
ありがとう天道ちゃん。
What is she planning?
Killing them? Making experiments on them?
Experiments.
Making them into soldiers? I don't know. Taking their energy. Something bad.
しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
重い。お前も手伝え。
Vroom.
But he can't, no.
What is that?
Kobeni?
Maybe, yeah.
なんかなんだこれ。
What's going on?
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
What is it?
変な感じってどういう。
What?
E 班 C 班のサイドマキマの死亡を確認させろ。
Maybe that's Makima's
C
power.
班との連絡が取れないんだ。
Oh!
Well, at least it's a quick death.
Yeah, that's Makima? So impressive.
Yes!
It is.
It is her!
What's with these guys?
Maybe they represent somebody else?
なんで俺たちも明確しよ
1階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
Contracts. In
Yeah.
plural.
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。
She's going to kill him.
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。
Oh my god!
Dead. I don't want to see it.
Wow. Ooh. Oh, they die.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing!
井上隆と言いなさい。
How did she know the names? Is it part of her power?
Yeah, maybe. Huh.
Oh,
One by one.
Yeah. Whoa. Bye bye. Oh. And who's gonna help Denji?
What about those two?
Yeah, what about those two?
止まった。
Is it? I would want them to be dead as well.
Yeah, maybe she can't.
外してよし。ここで私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
So these two survive?
力は多分マキマのだ。
Is he going to try to get him anyways? Kobeni.
Oh, let's see what happened.
Yeah, well, he was killed. She wasn't.
But how? I want to know her power.
He saved her.
Fuck. Now he's memorable.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
Come on.
ヘリスポッ
Oh, she has to be badass.
What? A monkey?
Himeno said she had the moves. I didn't know this is what she meant. Oh my god!
She's so fast. Yes! Well, yeah, I thought she was going to help him.
Kill them! No!
Kill him! Oh! Use the gun! No, too late.
The tires!
Right. So, Makima's powers are scary, but so cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That was insane. Something about the crows?
Something about the crows?
Just when the crow was there,
Yeah.
where Denji was,
landed there.
that guy started feeling something weird.
Yeah. But I would like to know exactly how it works.
Denji's gonna be fine, we know that.
He has to be.
Yeah.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
A very much
And now you can
needed
save him.
apology and appreciated.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。
Oh. He's a hero.
ダメだ。灰になっちゃってる。
Keep your cool.
Honestly, I would feel the same. I wouldn't be able to believe it. Sometimes you're so nervous that you can't
先輩に会ったら
can't
って言おう。
stop laughing.
Oh no, she doesn't know.
まどかくん、生きててよかっ
Another one
た。
survived.
他はどれくらい生きてる？
特異1課2課3課4課ともに銃撃にあり
Yeah, we knew that.
因果以外は
Oh,
ほとんど全員死にました
but Aki was alive, wasn't he?
以降
I don't know.
公
Maybe
安
he
隊は
died.
特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます
Huh.
何？
Huh.
僕の辞表です
Hmm.
牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか
Oh,
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
she knew.
Well, he should have asked and then resignate.
So she. This is suspicious.
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
No, you're not.
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
To follow the tradition, someone's using a cutting machine. So, chainsaw, cutting machine.
I'm so tired.
I'm
of
so
this.
tired of people building stuff next to our house. It used to be further away and it was still annoying. Now it's just like right there.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
At least you had some Oli content today.
Yes. Hi, Oli. Say hi to the nerdish fam. I hated this. I didn't like it. It was awesome, but now Denji's cutting half. Kobeni doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Everyone else is dead except for Makima,
Yeah.
who is now in charge.
Yeah.
And
And she knew what was going to happen.
kind,
It was-
I would say she would.
She didn't say I knew, but it was obvious.
I think she did know.
And I guess she is involved with the gun devil. That's a lot to say.
But why would they shoot her? And she already has Denji in the palm of her hand.
Yeah.
She could just say, "Give me your heart," and he would do it.
Yeah. Well, maybe she's not with the gun devil.
But she's into something shady.
Yeah. I mean, we already knew that or suspected it.
Yeah, but now it's
Confirmed.
yeah, not confirmed, but it's more obvious.
Yeah. I guess it's almost confirmed to me.
Yeah, it's hinted, but maybe she's just this huge hero that's doing something, and it
Good
looks
for-
like something, but it's something else. It could be. It could be.
Okay. Yeah.
How did she survive that
Yeah,
shot to the head? And she has multiple contracts.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see what this one
Yeah.
means someday.
Mhm.
It seems huge. It has to do with the snail, or maybe that's just the
The opening.
opening teasing us.
So we don't trust Makima,
No.
and we want Denji to come back because he's still cutting half.
Yeah. Poor Denji.
Yeah. In Aki. In
Yeah,
Aki-
I want to know what happened to Aki.
Yeah.
That worries me
Yeah.
quite a lot because they said everyone except for the non-humans survived.
Yeah, but also
Kobeni
is
survived.
still alive.
I believe Aki is alive.
Yeah.
Somehow. Where is power?
And where is power?
Yeah. So I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fittings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ay, tenía tiempo.
Sí, encima.